What would be your mode of transport in a bug-out situation? The answer isn't always as straightforward as it may seem. The choice of transport could be the difference between a successful escape and a perilous journey. Firstly, consider the primary option, a pickup truck. The pros of this choice are numerous. A pickup truck offers ample storage space for supplies and other people, can traverse difficult terrains with ease, and provides a secure, sheltered space for rest. However, it also comes with its share of cons. For starters, it's dependent on fuel, a resource that may be scarce in a bug-out situation. It pays to keep your tank as close to full as possible at all times. It's also large and noisy, making it hard to bug out during a time of crisis, as roads will most likely be blocked or congested. Also, its visible and audible signal to others. Next, the alternate mode, a motorbike. Motorbikes are nimble, quick, and can weave through traffic or narrow paths where larger vehicles cannot. They consume less fuel and are easier to repair than a truck. But they also have their downsides. They offer limited storage space, expose the rider to weather conditions, and require a certain skill level to operate effectively. This is, though, one of the more effective methods provided you have the ability to learn and acquire a motorbike. Having a good bug-out bag ready will make up for the lack of storage. The contingent option is an electric bike or a push bike. The advantages of this choice are its silent operation, no reliance on fuel, and the ability to use pedestrian paths. Also, being able to use both power and leg power gives you an extended range. This can be maximized if you have solar means of recharging. However, it requires physical stamina, offers limited speed and range, and also lacks storage space. Last but certainly not least is the emergency mode, on foot. The primary advantage of this mode is its absolute reliability. You don't depend on any external factors like fuel or mechanical parts. Plus, it allows for stealthy movement. The cons, however, are significant. Walking is physically demanding, slow, and leaves you exposed to the elements. In sum, each mode of transport comes with its strengths and weaknesses. The pickup truck offers space and ruggedness, but it's dependent on fuel and is conspicuous. The motorbike provides speed and maneuverability, but lacks storage space. The electric or push bike is silent and fuel independent, but requires physical energy. And going on foot is the most reliable, but also the most physically taxing. Remember, the best mode of transport for you depends on your specific circumstances and abilities. It's always wise to have a plan, and even wiser to have a backup plan, because in a bug-out situation, your mode of transport could mean the difference between safety and danger.